9,2 Millimeter, das heißt eine relativ kleine Wendeschnittplatte, die sehr leistungsfähig ist.
CNC machine shops can be a very hectic environment at times, and there are many reasons as to why a CNC machine can crash. Sometimes it's a bad offset, sometimes it's a programming mistake, and sometimes one tiny missed detail can destroy thousands of dollars in seconds. Today, we're going to break down some crazy CNC crashes, explain what likely went wrong during each one, and most importantly, how you can avoid making these same mistakes yourself. Let's get straight into the first crash.
Did I not probe Z? I didn't probe Z. What is this problem?
Immediately, you can hear the machine load spike right before impact. In this situation, the operator most likely had an incorrect tool length offset entered into the control. That means the machine thought the tool was higher than it actually was, causing the spindle to wrap it directly into the stock material. On a CNC mill, even being off by a few thousandths can ruin a setup. This operator did a great job at paying attention to the machine. As soon as the tool started cutting into the part, he stopped the spindle, as a skilled operator should know to do, and instantly you can hear him say, "I forgot to probe Z, didn't I?" But trust me, we are only getting started. This next crash gets way worse. This one looks like a classic work-holding failure. You can actually see the part shift right before the cutter grabs it. When a vise isn't tightened properly, or soft jaws don't have enough grip, the cutting forces from the end mill can literally rip the part out of the fixture. And once the part starts moving around inside the machine, it's basically over. Not only can this destroy tooling, but it can also damage the spindle taper, probes, vices, and even the machine enclosure itself. To avoid this, machinists usually double-check clamp pressure, verify jaw contact, and reduce aggressive cutting loads during roughing operations. But this next one might be the most expensive crash in the entire video. Oh, yeah, that sounded painful. This crash was likely caused by one singular code the programmer forgot, G50. A lot of times when writing a program, especially manually, a programmer can forget certain codes that just seem like a no-brainer. If you forget a code like G50, the RPM limiting code, your spindle will continue to speed up to match the surface speed you've put in your program, which, if you have a 30-pound part in the machine, that can get pretty scary. CNC machines don't think. They only do exactly what they're told. That's why experienced machinists always verify programs, simulate toolpaths, and dry run new setups before sending it at full rapid. And somehow, this next crash is even scarier. This right here shows you why it is extremely important to always be mindful of what you are wearing and any sort of accessories you may have that can get caught in exposed machinery. He may not have realized it when getting ready that morning, but his shirt was too loose to be standing over the machine while spinning like that. Good thing is, he had a grip on the machine and didn't get caught, or things could have turned out much worse. A few extra seconds checking everything can not only save you from crashing a machine, but it can also save your life. This one right here is why taking the proper precautions could also help the safety of those around you. They have the fire pit out with coolant, but what if that fire spread faster than they could have put it out? That's a whole shop in flames just because they wanted to save some time. If you ever see something like this, make sure to clean your machine and take all proper precautions to ensure this doesn't get exponentially worse. And the craziest part is, all of these crashes could have been completely avoided. There are many things that can go wrong in a machine shop, and it is important to keep yourself and those around you safe by practicing safe precautions and double-checking everything you do in a machine shop. Whether it's verifying offsets, checking work holding, simulating tool paths, or proving out programs carefully, attention to detail is everything in CNC machining. If you found this video interesting, leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. If you think CNC machining is cool, I've got the perfect video for you to check out next, explaining exactly why CNC machining is so cool. If you'd like another video on this topic or me to make this into a series, leave a comment below. And thank you for watching.